So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover the deleted files from the recycle bin itself. Now, if you generally delete any file, it goes to recycle bin, and if you deleted the files from recycle bin as well, you have to recover it. So just simply open any of the browser you have, and here search for Recuva. That is Recuva. Search for Recuva, and here you'll notice multiple websites will appear. You simply need to go to this particular website, that is ccleaner.com Recuva. Just simply open it. Now here you'll see a free software. Just simply click on this option of download free version. You can easily recover files for free. Now all you need to do is to just simply download and install that particular software, and here you have to scan for the deleted files, and you can simply recover it, whether it could be an image or a video or a document file as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.